Today's video is about surviving barbecue season while staying on the ketogenic diet. If you have any tips or tricks on how you survive the ketogenic diet during the summer months or barbecue season, please share your tips below on your favorite dish. I'd love to hear your tips because I can use all the help I can get. So currently in Toronto, Canada, the weather is beautiful. The sun's out and it feels like summer is just around the corner. With the great weather and us being stuck at home, that also means it's time to barbecue. Now it's barbecue season. How do you survive the keto lifestyle during the summer? If you're barbecuing, be sure to choose those no sugar barbecue sauces because there's definitely a lot of sugar in barbecue sauce and ketchup. So you're gonna wanna stay away from those. If you have to, look for the ones that have zero sugar on it. Now, you might not find them in store, but you can always order them online, but they do have them in stores as well. Normally, if you want something that you can't find in store, I normally just buy it off of Amazon. Shout out to Amazon. They actually have been doing a really great job in delivering stuff during this time. So thank you to Amazon. Also, another good thing about summertime is that during these hot months, you want to eat watermelon. Now, watermelon is one of those fruits that are actually good and safe to eat on the ketogenic diet. A lot of it is just water. Also, you're going to want to get your melons in. So cantaloupes, honeydew melons, those are all good and all refreshing while you're on the ketogenic diet. Definitely eat a lot of those to survive the summer months. One benefit of being stuck at home is that you get to control what you're cooking, right? You get to control what you're eating. You don't have that pressure of going to someone's house, going to someone's barbecue, and not knowing what they put on it. So when you're cooking, just be sure to choose wisely. Start looking at your ingredients. Now, even if you're not on the ketogenic diet, start looking at your ingredients. At the same time, you still want to stay away from all those sugars. Sugars isn't good for you whether you're on the ketogenic diet or not. Also, during these hotter months, you're going to want to stay hydrated. Don't stop hydrating, and also salt your food. Redmond real salt. Get it. If you haven't already got Redmond real salt, go out there, get it. My only regret is I didn't get it earlier. So good, it tastes so good, and it's real salt. One of the big things you want to stay away from is burger buns or hot dog buns. So if you are planning to have a barbecue, I would opt out for bunless burgers or hot dogs without the bun. Sausages are always great to grill up. Those simple substitutes will definitely help to keep you on track while you're trying to stay on the ketogenic diet. Also, potato salad. We all love our potato and pasta salads during barbecue season. What you can do is you can substitute potatoes. You could make a cauliflower salad. You just want to cut your cauliflower in small little florets. Blanch them, not till they're mushy, just till they're al dente, so they have a little bite to it. Then you want to cool it down with some cold water, and then once it's all cold, mix it all up with your favorite potato salad or pasta salad seasonings and ingredients. Now, these are just some ideas to help keep you in ketosis during the summer months or during barbecue season. I'd love to hear your ideas on how you survive barbecue season, how you survive the summer months. What are your tips and tricks? And please share this video if you feel that you know someone who might benefit off of these ideas on staying in ketosis or surviving barbecue season. And another thing, if you're not on the ketogenic diet, try to minimize your carbs. You don't necessarily have to eat carbs every meal. Choose a time when you want to eat carbs, whether it's you want to start off your day with carbs or end your day off with carbs. Just making a small difference in your diet, you will definitely see changes. And sometimes all it takes is just that one small change in your life to advance you further. So wherever you are in the world right now, if you're watching this video, if you have great weather today, I hope you enjoy this day. I hope you enjoy the sunshine. I hope you have something to smile about today. And if you do, go out there and try to make someone else smile. Try and brighten up someone else's day. We're all in this together. Hopefully this coronavirus is going to end soon. Spread positivity. You never know who needs to see that smile of yours today. And don't stop trying to have an impact in this world. And that's it for my minutes. Be sure to choose this day to eat healthy, get active, and stay happy. And my name is Zalm Laban. Thanks for watching. Peace.